In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim video in CapCut. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap on New Project. This is where you'll import the video you want to edit. Browse through your gallery, select the clip or clips you want to work with, and then tap Add. CapCut will load them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now that your video is on the timeline, let's talk about trimming. Trimming is used to remove unwanted parts from the beginning or the end of your clip. Tap on the video clip in the timeline so it's highlighted. You'll notice white handles at both ends of the clip. To trim the start, press and hold the left handle and drag it to the right until the video starts exactly where you want. To trim the end, do the same with the right handle, dragging it left until the video ends at your preferred point. Take your time and use the play button to preview and fine-tune your trims so the video feels clean and to the point. Next, let's look at cutting, which is sometimes called splitting. Cutting is useful when you want to remove a section in the middle of the video, or when you want to rearrange parts of a clip. Move the white playhead on the timeline to the exact frame where you want to make a cut. You can pinch to zoom in on the timeline to get more precision. Once the playhead is in position, tap the split button that appears just above the timeline. Your clip will now be divided into two separate pieces. If you want to remove a part, cut at the beginning and the end of that section. Tap on the middle piece and then tap Delete. The remaining parts will slide together so your video stays continuous. You can repeat this process to remove mistakes, long pauses, or anything else you don't want in the final version. As you trim and cut, remember to preview your work regularly. Hit play, watch the transitions between cuts, and make small adjustments by dragging the edges of each clip if needed. This helps you keep your video smooth and natural. When you're happy with your cuts and trims, tap on the export icon in the top right corner. Choose your resolution and frame rate if needed, then tap Export again. CapCut will process your video, and once it's done, you can save it to your device or share it directly to your favorite platform.